Myself Atul Vadatkar. I'm from Mumbai, and my profession is actually I'm in HR, human resources. I'm heading one of the petrochemical company as senior general manager HR and heading India operations as well as UK operations. My role involves organization development and change management. So basically, I'm in a process of transforming the organization. And in the current organization also, after joining this program on OD and change management, earlier I used to work on the execution part only. So strategy has been designed by the senior leadership, and I was no part of the strategy. I was just in the execution. Now, in my current organization, I'm a part of change management team, wherein I am sharing insightful data from the neighboring industries. And because of this course, now in last 15 days, I'm talking the right language, wherein I am able to convince my management how we should go ahead with the strategy. They have now made me the lead for organizational diagnosis, wherein I'm working on the pest analysis, SWOT analysis for the organization, and I'm making the entire agenda. They have asked me, okay, you should go ahead and prepare an entire plan for the change management. And happily, I can say, because of this program, I am able to contribute significantly in the organization's growth.